Carolyn over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a stretching routine. For this stretching routine, everything we do will be standing up. And this is something that you can do every day. So we're going to start by doing shoulder rolls backwards. So stretching is something that is important for our bodies and important to do every single day. A lot of people forget or don't want to make the time for stretching, but even just 5 minutes can make a difference. We're going to go the other way. Good. Now we're going to do neck circles. Do this gently. You might hear your neck crack or pop. Good. We'll go the other way. Good. Now we're going to take our neck and drop it to our shoulder to stretch the side of our neck. When we're doing this, make sure our shoulders are also dropped and we're not bringing our shoulders up. We'll switch to the other side. Then we're going to drop our chin to our chest. Good. Now we're going to take our hands, interlace them behind our back for a chest stretch, and we'll hold this. Now we're going to slowly bend forward. This will turn into a bicep stretch. Good, and come back up. Now we're going to do some side stretches, so we'll reach up. As you're stretching and counting in your head, make sure you are breathing throughout these. A lot of people tend to hold their breath, but we want to make sure we still breathe as we're stretching. Good. Now we're going to take our arm across our chest and hold here. Good, and we'll switch. Good. Now we'll go over our heads. Good. Now we're going to do our hamstring stretch. If you need help balancing, you can have a chair beside you or anything that's for you to hold on. Switch. Good. Now we're going to do this a few times. We're going to take a big stretch up. Really stretch. We're going to exhale. So we're going to inhale when we reach up. Exhale. One more time. Big inhale. On the exhale, we're going to fold down. Hold here. Slowly roll back up. We're going to do that again. We're going to bring our feet a little bit closer together this time. Inhale as we come up. Exhale. Try to touch your toes. And hold here. Slowly come back up. Good. We'll do it one more time, this time with our feet all the way together. Big reach up. Exhale. Still breathe while we're holding this. Slowly roll back up. Now we're we're going to pick up our leg, do some ankle circles. Good, we'll go the other way. Good. Good, and the other way. Good. So now, to stretch our back, we're going to twist and look behind us and hold this. Make sure your hips are still facing forward. Good, other way. Good. Now we're going to point our toe. We're going to bend over at our hips and just kind of hold here. After a few seconds, we're going to bend down and grab our toe. Good. Same thing. Point our toe up, bend out our hips. And we'll grab our toe. Good. Now we're going to do a side lunge, stretch out here. Good, other way. Good, and to the middle. Good, and lastly, we're going to go down into that squat. And it's a wide squat, so we'll just hold here. And in this position, we're going to push one shoulder down, stretching out through here. Then we'll switch. Good. All right. So again, this is a stretching routine you can do every single day, all standing. I know I've done a variety of stretching routines with some on the ground, some standing up. So try to incorporate this into your daily routine. Thank you for joining us.